Hi, I'm Gabby McCord-Mann with Berkshire Hathaway, and we're going to take a quick moment here and talk to you about how home renovations can positively or negatively impact your home insurance premiums. If you're thinking about renovating your house, your insurance rates may go up or down depending on the types of changes you make and how they affect the risk and liability from the insurer's perspective. So, what renovations can raise your insurance premiums? If you make upgrades that increase your home's value, you'll likely see your homeowner's insurance rates go up. That's because it will cost you more to repair and replace if you have to rebuild if that gets damaged. If you build an addition, a deck, a patio, or any upgrades to your home's interior, your basement, you turn your attic into a living space, you can also expect to pay more in that homeowner's insurance. Adding on certain features such as an in-ground pool can raise your home's value, but it can also make your property more dangerous. A pool is considered an attractive nuisance because it's appealing to children and it can put them at risk. If you add a pool, you may have to raise your liability coverage, which can cause your premiums to jump, and your insurance company may require you to install a fence around that pool to prevent accident. Home improvements that could save you money on insurance, such as upgrades, can lead to lower home insurance premiums once you make those changes to your home that make objects less likely to become damaged and less likely to have to file a claim. That can save you money on your insurance. For example, if you replace an old roof, you'll be less likely to file a claim related to storm damage. And if you replace or upgrade your HVAC, electrical, plumbing features, they'll be unlikely to break down anytime soon, which means you'll be unlikely to have to file that claim. No matter what type of upgrades you make, let your home insurance company know about them. You may be pleasantly surprised to learn that your premiums will go down. If you don't, you may find yourself underinsured. If your home gets damaged and you have to file a claim, the company may not pay you enough to cover the bills or repairs or replacement. The insurance company may deny your claim outright. Once again, I'm Gabby McCord-Mann, and these are one of those wonderful and tough, deep conversations about home ownership that I would like to continue the conversation on with you as your realtor. Thank you.